how to build a brass wind instrument. Tone holes, tubing, and vibrations. Brass wind instruments, like trumpets, trombones, and horns, have been part of musical history for centuries. Though they might seem complex, they operate on relatively simple acoustic principles. In this article, we'll explore how to build a basic metallic wind instrument, and dive into how tube length, holes, and metal shape the sound. Materials and tools to build a functional brass-style wind instrument. You'll need thin metal tubing, brass, copper, or aluminum. A mouthpiece, store-bought, or homemade. Optional. Valves, sliding sections, or tone holes. Metal cutters, solder, small drill. Tuning meter, or pitch amp. The basics of sound production. A wind instrument works by vibrating a column of air inside a tube. In brass instruments, the player's lips buzz into a cup-shaped mouthpiece, which sets the air column inside the tubing into vibration. The length of the tube determines the fundamental pitch. Longer tube, right arrow, lower note. Shorter tube, right arrow, higher note. Players adjust pitch by changing lip tension, embouchure. Using valves or slides to change tube length. Opening/closing tone holes, less common in brass. Step 1. Design your instrument's tube. Choose a total tube length based on your desired pitch range. For example, a trumpet has about 140 cm, 55 inches, of tubing when uncoiled. A bugle, or basic horn, is about 120-150 cm. You can bend the tubing into loops, or spirals to make it compact. Use brass tubing for a classic sound. Copper or aluminum also works, but each has a slightly different timbre. Brass, bright and resonant. Copper, warm but duller. Aluminum, lightweight, slightly harsh. Step 2. Add a mouthpiece. The mouthpiece shape influences tone. A deep cup creates a mellow sound. A shallow cup produces a brighter, louder tone. You can purchase a standard mouthpiece, or fashion one using metal lathe tools, or even copper plumbing fittings for DIY builds. Step 3. Creating notes. Valves or slides. You have a few options for producing different notes. Option 1. Slide, like a trombone, add a movable tubing section that changes the total length. As you extend the slide, the pitch drops. Option 2. Valves, like a trumpet, add piston or rotary valves that divert air into additional tubing. Each valve lowers the pitch by a specific interval, usually half steps. Option 3. Tone holes, like a flute, less common in brass, but possible in hybrid instruments. Drill small holes at precise locations, and cover them with keys or fingers. Note: the placement of holes or valves must match acoustical nodes. Improper placement results in bad intonation. Metal thickness and vibration. The thickness of the metal wall gauge affects how the instrument vibrates. Thin walls, more resonance and flexibility in tone. Thicker walls, more projection but less warmth. Professional instruments often use carefully selected alloys and wall thickness to optimize resonance, durability, and tone quality. Step 4. Assembly and tuning. Use soft soldering to join metal parts. Avoid leaks. Airtight joints are crucial for tone. Use a tuner app to test pitch accuracy and trim tubing if needed. Polish and lacquer the final build to protect the surface. Playing and adjusting. Once built, practice basic techniques. Buzzing lips into the mouthpiece. using valves slash slides slash holes for note changes, adjusting embouchure and breath control. With practice, you'll be able to play natural harmonic series and manipulate tone quality. Conclusion: building a brass-style wind instrument is a fascinating blend of metalwork, acoustics, and musical experimentation. Whether you're crafting a simple bugle or a complex valved horn, understanding how air, metal, and vibration interact will help you build something playable and beautiful to hear.